Hey guys, today we have the Scotty Powerlock rod holder with a side deck mount, and today we're going to do a quick demo to show you the installation of this to a boat. The mount itself screws onto your boat with 4 screws. You can see here the mount comes with 2 holes for the Scotty rod holder. We have a hole on the side and we also have a hole at the top. So your rod holder can be mounted the way we have it here or on the side of your boat. This makes it very versatile to suit your preferences. And the Scotty Power Lock rod holder has a universal cradle that pretty much holds any rod and reel setup, and it can be adjusted. So here we're just going to place the rod holder onto a Scotty mount. Make sure you line up the lock from the rod holder to the mount. And once mounted, you can adjust the angle up or down, and then you can tighten it to secure it. And you can also turn the rod holder to position it in whatever direction you prefer. Then you can take your rod and slip it inside the rod holder. There's a front locking ring to prevent your rod from slipping out. And you can readjust the position of the rod holder up or down and also reposition it to whatever direction you want it to face. Here you can see we've mounted the rod holder directly onto the boat deck, but you can also mount it to the side of your boat. This is made of reinforced engineering grade nylon, and I would say it's very strong. You can purchase the mount separately from the rod holder so you can fit it according to your needs, or you can get the two together as a set.